Now, today we are discuss the operator overloading in C++. First of all, what is operator? So, operator is a used for performing some operations like arithmetic, logical, conditional. These are some operators is used for performing the some operation purposes. Okay, but this operator is performing the operations with the variables. Means addition is used for performing the variables. Means we use the two types of variables, two variables, and then performing the addition means adding some values. Okay, so this is called as operator, and it is performing some operations. Okay, but if we performing some operation using the objects, okay, so that it means the purpose is changed. So the first is, what is operator overloading is, it means what, same operator means same operator which is already is defined in a already is defined implicitly by compiler, but with the help of different purposes we can be used in our program. So this is called as operator overloading. Like function overloading, it means same function name different parameters. Similarly, operator overloading, it means what, if we having a or already some operator, but with the different purposes we can be used for that operator. So this is called as operator overloading. Now, the operator overloading is an important concept in C++ because we in the mathematics we already perform the operation addition. Addition is having the two numbers, and we use the operator for calculating the sum. But if we, is it not, is it possible to add the two objects? So that type of operation is performing in the operator overloading in the C++. Okay, so that is the main concept of an operator overloading in the C++. It is a type of polymorphism in which an operator is overloaded to give the user defined meaning to it. The overloaded operator is to perform the operation on a user defined data type. What exactly user defined data type? It means user is explicitly write some code for performing the operations for that particular operator. Okay, so that is called as user defined. User defined, it means for example class and class object when we create it. So this is called as user defined data type. Means class is user defined and object is as a considered as a variable. So this is a user data defined variable. Now, for example, plus operator can be overloaded to perform the addition on the various data types. Yes, we already know that if I having the plus operator, then it is used for the addition, or concatenation. If I use the plus operator for the string, then it will be used for the concatenation of the string. So what is the syntax of the operator overloading? That is return type, class name, then scope resolution, then operator is my keyword, and operator symbol. Here we are writing the main operator and argument list. Then curly bracket open and curly bracket close. In the curly bracket, we are declaring the function body. There is operator overloading function body. And this is just a general syntax for the creating the operator overloading function. Okay. Almost any operator can be overloaded. In the C++, yes, I having more types of operation in the C++. So almost any type of operators can be overloaded in the C++. However, there are the few operators which are cannot be overloaded. The operators that are not overloaded are as follow. Means which type of operation operator is not overloaded. So these are scope resolution operator is not overloaded. Then size of operator is also is not overloaded. Member selector is not overloaded. Member pointer selector is not overloaded, and ternary operator is not overloaded. So these five types of operator is not overloaded in the C++. Excluding that, every operator must be overloaded in the C++. Implementing the operator overloading in C++. Okay, how we implement the operator overloading in the C++? The operator overloading can be done by implementing a function which can be member function, non-member function, and friend function. Okay, operator overloading function can be a member function if the left operand is an the object of that class. Okay, but if the left operand is different, then the operator overloading function must be a non-member function. The operator overloading function can be made friend function if it needs access to the private and protected members of that class. What are the restrictions? Means which we can't be doing using the operator overloading in C++. There are the following restrictions to keep in mind while implementing the operator overloading. First of all, precedence and associativity of an operator cannot be changed. Means what? Using the Bodmos rule. Okay, so Bodmos rule we can be implemented and we can't be ignored the Podmos rule. Means if there is having the first addition and after that subtraction, it means we just follow that steps according to that. Then arity, there is number of operand cannot be changed. Means if I giving the two operand for addition, then we just use two operand and unary operators remain unary and binary remains binary. Means single operator is used for single operand and binary operator is used for two operands. Okay. Third is no new operator can be created. Means we can't be create any new operator. Only use the existing operator for overloading. Means we just change the purposes, but we can't be invented any new operator. Okay. Now cannot redefine the meaning of an precedent. You cannot change how integer are added. Cannot redefine the meaning of precedent procedure. Means हम लोग we can't be redefine the procedure. Means we can't be change the procedure of addition, but we cannot be change the integer are added. Means we can't be change the results. Okay. गुलाब जामुन